Alright, right now we are doing some mods to the GTI. Last night we threw on some, I don't think these are genuine carbon, but they still look good enough, mirror caps. This is from my GTI. I never ended up putting these on, but they look really good on this white. Of course on the other side. Installation, it wasn't our favorite thing to do by any means, but it looks really good still. And right now we're going to be throwing on a tow hook mount to relocate this license plate, get a little bit more airflow to our intercooler, and then if we have enough time we're going to be doing some replacement paddle shifters. They're really nice. These are right off of Amazon. I think they're $25 a piece. Get a nice metal feel. Alright, so as you can see we have the front plate mounted where we want it. It's nice and kind of out of the way. And yeah, it's in a much better place right now, so very clean. So now we're going to do our paddle shifter extensions. This car has two pins holding, well, one pin holding each paddle in, and you can access it from the bottom part. You just have to get a needle nose. Alright, so now we just pulled the pin out of the old one. You have to kind of tilt the wheel like this and then pull the pin out kind of from the bottom like so. And I assume mounting these is just going to be a treat.
Yeah, it should be easier than taking it out.
Yeah, probably. You get it? Nice.
Here she goes.
Cash money. This is a fun mod for sure.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, straighten that wheel out. Let's look at those paddles. Nice. How do they feel?
Looks pretty sweet.
Those look awesome. Wicked cool. Yeah, they mounted really nicely too. Nice and easy mod for sure. Right, and to wrap it up, we're doing a little bit of exhaust polishing. This is sort of a quick before, or a quick before right over there, and then a quick after. We're kind of getting rid of that carbon buildup. This car was definitely maintained well because there's really not much corrosion on the tip. And as you can see here, a lot of carbon buildup, but it's not really corroded at all, so we'll make these things look really nice, and I think we'll call that a day. Alright, so we just wrapped up the exhaust tips. They're nice and improved. They're way shinier now, so I think we're going to call that. Just some intro mods on the GTI. We're going to have probably a lot more things to do. We have OBD11 that we just did some things on this car, like mirror dip and throttle response, and maybe urban joke. That might be the next. I don't know how to work that one. I've never done that before, but yeah. But yeah, I think probably taillight tint next, some badge skins, and maybe an intake. For sure, we'll get some air going. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.